Hi, everybody. It's Dr. Wyman again, and we're going to talk about macroeconomics today. We're going to be on chapter 8, and we're going to be talking about the consumption function. And what I've done for you today is taken a problem from your homework and worked it out. And I'm going to go over it with you here, but then I'm going to post it in Moodle so you can use it when you're doing your homework. So let's get started with that. I'm going to share my screen. And this is going to be problem 2, the consumption function. So this is your homework problem. Consider a country with a national income of $12 billion, the amount of taxes paid by households of $3 billion, and household consumption of $7 billion. Suppose that the marginal propensity to consume, or MPC, is 0.75. On the following graph, use the blue line circle symbol to plot the economy's consumption function. So here's your hint. You should plot the first point where household consumption equals 7 billion, because it's given to you right here. Then plot the second point when real disposable income rises by 4 billion. So the way that we calculate that is we have calculating real disposable income, RDI, which is national income minus taxes. So that is 12 billion, which is given in the problem, right? 12 billion. And you have 3 billion in taxes. So you have 9 billion as your real disposable income. So we know the first plot, real disposable income, is going to be 9. And we already know it's given in the problem, real consumption is 7. So the first plot that you're going to do is 9, 7. So this is 9 on the real disposable income is on the horizontal axis here, and the consumption is on the vertical axis. Okay, so you're going to plot 9 here and 7. So then to get the second point, you need to use the country's marginal propensity to consume, which was given to us in the problem at 0.75. A $1 billion increase in national income increases consumption by what? So we're going to say 1 billion increase in national income. So that's a change from 12 billion to 13 billion equals the MPC is 0.75, which is given to you in the problem. The real disposable income is increasing by 4 billion, and that's told to you in the problem also. So 1 billion times 0.75 is 0.75 billion increase in consumption. So the real disposable income increases by 4 billion. So 4 billion times 0.75 is 3 billion consumption increase. So what we know is that the real disposable income changed from 12 to 13. So we have 13 billion here. And then 7 plus 3 billion is 10 billion for the consumption function. The other way to come out to the real disposable income is a $4 billion increase added to the 9 billion real disposable income, which would give you 13 billion in real disposable income. So that gives you the second plot point, which is 1310. So 13 is the real disposable income, and which is here, 13, and the consumption is 10. Okay, so that's how you get your 2 plot points. Now, the next part of the problem says, suppose the country's national income increases to 13 billion, assuming the amount paid in taxes is fixed at 3 billion and MPC equals 0.75. What will be the new household consumption? So national income rose to 13 billion, real disposable income rose to 13 billion minus 3 billion in taxes, so that's 10 billion in real disposable income. 10 billion minus 9 billion is 1 billion in the change amount times 0.75 for your consumption function here. 7 billion, which is what it was before, times 0.75 equals 7.75 billion. So that's how you calculate this for the next part of the problem. And that's the whole thing. So hopefully MPC is, by the way, is marginal propensity to consume. So I just wanted to go over this problem with you because I thought it seemed a little difficult when I was reviewing, and I wanted to make sure that you had a good idea of what to do and how to calculate your figures. And so, as I said, I'm going to post this in Moodle so you can have a copy of this when I'm done. All right, I will see you next time. And I hope that if I don't see you or talk to you beforehand, I hope you have a great spring break, which is coming up March. Let me just double check here. March 7th. So it's only like a week or so away. So have fun with that, but I will be, back online with you pretty soon. All right, take care.